What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your headlights on a 2014 to 2020 Chevy Impala. This happens to be about a 2018. It's pretty simple to do. You just want to reach over here. You'll see your dust cover right here. You just want to kind of spin that off. It's a little tight if you have big hands, but you can get to it. And kind of just take off your dust cover. It will come off like that. Then once you do that, you just want to reach inside of there and basically spin the headlight. Basically you want to spin it up, like spin the bottom of it up to the top pretty much. And once you do that, you'll have your headlight out just like that. You also want to make sure you use some gloves or something when you're changing out your headlights, because you don't want to get oils and stuff like that onto your headlights, because that'll make them go out quicker. But basically once you have them off, then you just come right here, see like a little piece, just pull back on that like that, and your headlight will come out. Get a closer look up on you, see what bulb you need. That's in case you're going back with the factory bulb. That'll be the number that you will need right there. Then once you pretty much have the headlight, your new headlight in, you just want to come right here, come to your power connection, just plug that right back up. Just like you'll see that little back part, you just plug it over. Might want to lift up a little bit on it, plug it in just like that, and you'll hear a snap. And you just want to take it back in, put it back in into the hole. You should be able to see it. Then you want to just spin it back down pretty much. Normally you should be able to feel. You may need to come to the front, kind of look through the opening to see where you actually going to put it back in at. But once you got it back in, then you're just going to want to spin it back down pretty much, and you should be good. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your headlights on a 2014 to 2020 Chevy Impala. It's pretty much a simple job to do. Should take you a few minutes to get it done. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.